Alright, welcome back everybody. So today, I have a few of these easy one-pointer kind of challenges, so I'm trying to knock them out, get a few of them done maybe. But today, I got Late for Work's Firecrackers. Also, I'm going to be testing out some new software here, so hopefully this works out well. But we'll get to this disclaimer here quick. So, I, Chase Lashinsky, am over 18 years of age, of sound mind, and have read and understood the hot sauce product disclaimer on the League of Fire's website. In summary, I accept that the League of Fire, their suppliers, manufacturers, will under no circumstance be responsible for or liable for any claims of injury or damage arise from me consuming this product or multiples thereof. I acknowledge and agree to this without question. So, this is for challenge rules: no food or drink, finish and show empty mouth, begin a 2-minute burn session. And then we're done. These are kind of beginner challenges. I have a few of them that I'm going to kind of knock out before the end of the season just to get a few extra points racked up. And then also I'm testing out some new software and hardware that I got. Trying to play around with it and see what I got here. But these have the ahi pineapple pepper in them, and these are like a Chex Mix. So there's pretzels, peanuts, all kinds of things in here. Pretty cool. But we'll eat this down and then we'll start our 2-minute.
Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
These are really good. Definitely a good snacking trail mix. Empty.
I got it.
Mouth is clear. So we'll start our 2-minute timer here.
I'm doing.
I don't know. I'm not detecting really any heat in this, but they are really good. They're delicious. Nah, you guys did a really good job on this, Jason and Kim. Tastes really good. Definitely, if you're looking to join the League of Fire and you're not sure about spicy stuff, or if you just want to get, a few points, kind of rank up there with some of the people you watch on YouTube here, this would be a very good challenge to start with. So I got some new software stuff I'm testing out, some new hardware stuff, kind of make it a little more easier in the studio here, so I can do a lot of this stuff kind of on my own. And so then obviously I can do some lives in the future. I'll be able to easily control everything kind of right from here. And this cool little timer thing, it's part of this new software thing I can add up on the screen here and start everything. That's pretty cool. And yeah, kid's acting a little rambunctious right now. So if you hear him running around in the background. Huh. Just an easy challenge. Get a few extra points here before the end of the League of Fire season. But that was my 2-minute timer. This was a really good challenge, and until next time, bye.